Amemba aya aria ni a kuuma wandi ciothe 45 cia kaunti ya Kisii ni makindiritwo gutongoria muingi na ikundi citiganite mihango-ini ya kuhurana na ũcenjia wa rĩera.
This climate ward committee members were selected through a very rigorous process and within the Climate Change Act. So the purpose of today's meeting was basically to inaugurate them.
Hamwe na mangĩ amemba aya megukorwo magitongoria mihango ya uhandi wa mĩtĩ, gutheria njũĩ na gutara arĩmi ũhũthĩri-inĩ wa ndawa na fertilizer iria itarĩ na mogwati kũrĩ maria matũrigicĩirie.
We are going to use them in creating awareness among our people in the Kisii County government on the effects of climate change and what we are supposed to do to mitigate those adverse effects of climate change in our wards.
So they are going to mobilize the community members to identify the risks they are facing and also solutions that are geared towards specific wards.
Oho makihokerwo guthũrimaga matua maria matuo bunge-ini ya kaunti magutereba mihango ya kurua na thina wa ũcenjia wa rĩera.
Unajua ulimwengu mzima inaongea mambo ya climate change and Kisii County does not want to be left behind in addressing these effects of climate.
Utongoria wa kaunti ya Kisii ugite amemba aya ni marikaraga makiheagwo mataro na mathomo maria maricokaga kumatambiria muingi.
Are going to take them through a rigorous training process so that they can understand what their roles are.
And therefore the solutions they are going to propose to us, they are tailor-made according to the different wards.
Unyitanĩri wa kaunti na thirikari nene ni wa bata na ni ukurehe umithio bara-ini ya kũhĩtana na ũcenjia wa rĩera. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, Geto Wangari Maria wa Mũigana.